join my Key to Gold channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update. Question number 1. The Reserve Bank of India has excluded Lakshmi Vilas Bank from the second schedule of the RBI Act after it was merged with which of the following bank? Answer B. DBS Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has excluded Lakshmi Vilas Bank from the second schedule of the RBI Act after it was merged with DBS Bank India Limited last year. Question number 2. Who among the following participated in G20 Tourism Ministers virtual meeting held on 4th May 2021? Answer C. Prahlad Singh Patel. Union Minister of State for Tourism and Culture Prahlad Singh Patel participated in G20 Tourism Ministers meeting held in Italy on 4th May 2021. Question number 3. Which of the following Indian state is building forest ponds to harvest rainwater to replenish groundwater? Answer D. Himachal Pradesh. Under the Parvat Dhara scheme, the Himachal Pradesh government has initiated rejuvenation of water sources and recharging aquifers through the Forest Department with an outlay of Rs 20 crore. Question number 4. Reserve Bank of India has constituted an advisory group to assist the second regulatory review authority. Who will be the head of the group? Answer C. S. Janaki Raman. The advisory group will be headed by SBI Managing Director S. Janaki Raman. Question number 5. How many members are present in the advisory group to assist the second regulatory review authority constituted by RBI? Answer D. 6. There are 6 members are present in the advisory group to assist the second regulatory review authority constituted by RBI. Question number 6. Every year during Dash, the United Nations marks the time of remembrance and reconciliation of those who lost their lives during the Second World War. Answer C. May 8 and 9. Every year during May 8 and 9, the United Nations marks the time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War. Question number 7. What amount of finance contract has been signed between India and European Investment Bank for the Pune Metro Rail project during the India-EU leaders meeting? Answer C. Euro 150 million. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi participated in the India-EU leaders meeting held in hybrid format on May 8, 2021. A finance contract of Euro 150 million was also signed for the Pune Metro Rail project by the Indian Ministry of Finance and European Investment Bank. Question number 8. Name the female player who has been facilitated with the Sportswoman of the Year at the 2021 Laureus World Sports Award. Answer D. Naomi Osaka. World number 2 tennis player Naomi Osaka of Japan has been named Sportswoman of the Year at the 2021 Laureus World Sports Awards. Question number 9. Which player has been honored with the 2021 Laureus Sportsman of the Year award? Answer D. Rafael Nadal. World number 2 Rafael Nadal of Spain won the 2021 Laureus Sportsman of the Year title. This is the second title for Nadal, who also claimed the prestigious award in 2011. Question number 10. Maharaja Krishna Kaushik and Ravindra Pal Singh, who have passed away recently, were both Indian players related to which sports? Answer A. Hockey. Two of the most revered hockey stars of India, Maharaj Krishna Kaushik and Ravindra Pal Singh, have passed away after battling COVID-19. Question number 11. Rajya Sabha MP Raghunath Mohapatra, who has passed away recently, was a dash by profession. Answer C. Sculptor. Eminent sculptor architect the Rajya Sabha member Raghunath Mohapatra has passed away while undergoing treatment for COVID-19. He was 78. Question number 12. Name the Rashtriya Lokdal chief and former union minister who passed away recently. Answer B. Ajit Singh. Former union minister and Rashtriya Lokdal founder and leader Ajit Singh has passed away battling COVID-19. Question number 13. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited recently signed an MOU with Dash for supporting MT-30 marine engine business. Answer A. Rolls-Royce. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Rolls-Royce have signed an MOU to establish packaging, installation, marketing and service support for Rolls-Royce MT-30 marine engine in India. Question number 14. The top oil and gas PSUs of India have inked a memorandum of understanding for construction and redevelopment of Dash. Answer B. Badrinath Dam. The top oil and gas PSUs of India including Indian Oil, BPCL, HPCL, ONGC and GAIL have inked a memorandum of understanding with the Shri Badrinath Uttan Charitable Trust for construction and redevelopment of Shri Badrinath Dam in Uttarakhand as a spiritual smart hill town. Question number 15. What is the estimated GDP growth rate of India as per Fitch solution for the financial year 2021-22? Answer D. 9.5%. Fitch solution has estimated the GDP of the Indian economy to grow 9.5% in 2021-22. If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.